Welcome to IgoroTech channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix video TDR failure error on Windows 10. The much dreaded video TDR failure blue screen of death error occasionally makes an appearance when using Windows PC. To solve video TDR failure on Windows 10, you can try one of the following methods as long as you can access the computer and the BSOD shows after. If you can't get onto the PC at all because of the video TDR failure however, then do the same but in safe mode. The most common reason for video TDR failure is the graphics card driver, so you need to make sure you're using the most up-to-date version. To update the GPU driver, follow these steps. Go to Control Panel. Then select Device Manager. Expand Display Adapters. Right-click on the video driver, then click Update Driver and choose how you prefer to update it. When it has finished updating, reboot the PC. In some cases, you get a video TDR failure error after updating the graphics card driver. This is because something on your computer is incompatible with the newest version of the driver. In this case, you have to roll back to the previous driver version to make it work again. Go to Control Panel. Then select Device Manager. Expand Display Adapters. Right-click on the video driver, click Properties, then select Driver tab. Under the Driver tab, click Roll Back Driver and follow the directions shown on screen. If the video TDR failure is still happening, you should change the PCI Express power management settings. Go to Control Panel. Select Power Options. Click on High Performance, then select Change Plan Settings. Click on Changed Advanced Power Settings. Locate PCI Express. Expand Link State Power Management. Change settings to off. If you are using a laptop, change both to off or on battery and plugged-in settings. Click on OK to save the changes, then restart your PC. This covers how to fix BSOD video TDR failure error. If you found this tutorial is helpful, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.